Hartnell College held a special ceremony to unveil its brand new Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System Nursing Education Center. Through its partnership with the hospital, the facility boasts a high-quality faculty and state-of-the-art equipment.
And as important as your $3+ million have been to us since 2004, the real part that merits the naming of this facility for your healthcare system is your commitment to the legacy of good health and health care in this valley.
For Salinas Valley Memorial, the return on that investment is invaluable.
One of the things I've noticed over the years is that the Hartnell graduates that join our staff have been excellent.
Well, the Hartnell nurses, the students from there come and they do a lot of their clinical rotations here, so they get to take a look at the hospital and see if this is also a place that they would like to work in the future. And having a relationship with them sort of bonds them more with the hospital.
Hartnell College nursing program is one of the best in the state. And it's moving forward with a lot of pride and a lot of commitment to excellence.
Inside the Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System nursing training facility at Hartnell, students are hard at work, preparing for the unique challenges of modern medicine, and the results of the program are staggering.
96% of this year's graduates have passed the NCLEX, and the cool thing about that is that's the gold standard of first attempt. The ones who did not have now repeated and have also passed. So technically we have 100%.
Those numbers top the state and national average and showcase the high caliber of training provided at Hartnell.
He has heart sounds, bowel sounds, breath sounds, pulses. He's attached to a monitor so we can detect his blood pressure, his heart rate. We have EKG strips that we run across the monitor. We can also check his pulse oximeter. And in the control room where faculty are, we have many different scenarios that we run. So students come in, are given a case study, and we set the SimMan up to represent that case study. Students learn how to interact, when to call for help, who their resources are, what medications to give, and so forth.
We had some fun with it because we opened up our simulation lab and Hartnell came by, and we didn't say they copied it here, but they train it. They train them here, and then we do a post-training at the hospital on our facility on Abbott Street.
This advanced, hands-on training prepares nurses to excel in school and beyond.
It ripples out into the whole family so that you have better neighbors, you have better schools and better neighborhoods. So we really help to change the quality of life of the valley and the individuals and their families, as well as the quality of life of the patients.
I believe it's vital. I believe it's vital to the hospital. I believe it's vital to Hartnell. When you're a patient in the hospital, many times here you will be taken care of by a Hartnell nurse, a graduate from Hartnell. And perhaps she's gone on to San Jose State or UCSF to get her bachelor's and her master's. But she can speak to you of the fact that she came through Hartnell, which again, you're a community person, you're in the bed, you're being cared for by a local nurse, and you hear that and you think, isn't this great? I'm glad I supported Hartnell, I'm glad I supported SVMH. This is the benefit of it. I have somebody local caring for me.
For President and CEO Sam Downing, it's another example of a successful merger of local resources to benefit the community.
Oh, very proud of this project. I would say that this is one of the highest priorities of the hospital.
And of course, as Beverly said, just really acknowledging Mr. Downing and the Salinas Valley Memorial Healthcare System Board of Directors for your continued support. It is actually true, without your support, we would not have a nursing program at Hartnell College.